All right, guys, real fast, black walnut. This is a yard tree. It belongs to a customer. Pretty obvious that it's a yard tree due to the low grade of it, the pith. Let's open this one up and see how it looks. All right, guys, this one on top was probably the nicest slab out of all of them. 24 inches wide. That's a nice one right there. Tell you what, guys, that was a nice one, and that's one of those cases when you shouldn't judge a log by its cover, because you never know what's hiding under the bark. That was really nice. I never would have thought that was hiding under the bark on that terrible looking log. That's a customer log, and I wish it was mine.